So we're using the Frogotter Education Box, and today we're doing N022 Animal Picnic 2. The equipment we need is the wooden animals, the squared whiteboard, which is right here, the ruler, the protractor, which I've put out of shot, and the whiteboard pen. Okay, and my special guest is the rabbit. I've just realised actually that it did also say the whiteboard eraser, which I've left in the box. So if you could hang on just 1 second. Because the whiteboard eraser is actually kept in the same box as the foam letters, and I forgot to take it out. There we go. Okay, here it is. Right, so let's get started. You don't need that board, so we're using the squared whiteboard. So the first thing we need to do, it says the animals are having a picnic, but they've only brought big cakes. Can you help them to share? So choose 2 animals.
I'll choose 2 big animals.
Okay. Now we need to draw 3 big cakes on the whiteboard.
Or maybe big animals which face in the right direction. The elephant in the hill. I think we might be doomed. I think you're right. The monster pigs are going to eat us. Is it going to be a circle?
No, it wasn't actually, no.
Strange. Get worse of all. There's no crackers.
No crackers today, just cakes.
Whee!
Okay, so here are my 3 big cakes.
Those are huge cakes.
Okay, so let's move the
That one?
animals slightly out. Okay, actually that's true, there's a lot of cake. I'm assuming these animals are very, very hungry. Okay, so the elephant and the hippo. Are you ready? The elephant and the hippo are going to share the cakes. Oh, can you
Cut them in half.
draw a line showing where you would cut them in half? If I move that so that that can go flat, that's good. Well done. Now, one way we can check whether we've done it in half is by counting the squares, okay?
1, 2, 3.
So for
4,
this
5,
one,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
so there's 12 there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So that might not be entirely fair. If one of them gets 12 and one of them gets 20, that seems a bit unfair.
What about here?
Do you want to count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Good. And what about the other one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
That is fair. Okay. Oh, you seem to be trying to fight me with the animals. Okay. I don't want the animals to fight. They're having a picnic, not a fight. Okay, so no. We have to check whether it's fair before you eat any, Mr. Hippo. So can you draw? Are you going to do this one?
That's 3. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, these aren't actually whole ones, are they? Oh, I thought I'd put the cap on, but I haven't. These aren't actually whole. So if you look, you've got 1, 2, 1, 2 whole ones, And then this one is almost whole, you've just cut off the corner, and you've got one like that. And then this one is only the corner, and you've got one like that. This one you've just cut off the corner, and you've got another one like that. This one's just a little bit. So that's quite good, isn't it? We can match them like that. What about this one? Can you count the squares? Oh, yes, I forgot I should eat it. Alright, okay, they're rubbing it out.
But that's how they should eat it.
Why suppose that makes sense? That's all gone. I'll tidy up. There we go. Nom, 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 nom. Alright. Nom, 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 nom.
You must
Okay.
also probably tidy up the leftovers.
I think we should check that the other one's been cut neatly. So, can you check?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Perfect! Okay, you're gonna go. Let me
Good
do it.
idea.
Oh, that's my
I have a munching.
I would like to eat this one now.
Munch.
Okay, so if I let the elephant eat this last one, would you like to pick 2 more animals?
I'll do small ones.
Okay, so now we need to draw cakes again.
You could draw smaller cakes. After all, they are smaller animals.
No, we're going to share. The hippo and elephant are still there. Everyone is having cake.
Let's launch me. Is that a DJ fish?
Alright. Very difficult elephant. I'm trying to draw a great big cake for 4 animals to share. Okay, now I have a great big cake for 4 animals to share. Right, so now I have 4 great big cakes for my animals to share. I didn't rub that one out very clearly, did I? There we go. Good. Okay.
Let's start on this.
So if we got all 4, okay, let's start on that one. Can you divide that? Oops. Into 4 fair pieces for all 4 animals to eat.
Okay, first this. Eat 4 of 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's really good.
Oh, nom, 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 nom.
Oh, nom, 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 nom. Okay. All right, careful, because you don't want to rub out the cake that hasn't been eaten yet, that we haven't cut up yet. That elephant, I'm trying to greedily start on the other cakes. That won't do.
Wonderful cake.
There are 2 more cakes, but we've got to share them first.
Perfect.
Can you share this one? That one looks a bit tricky. Do you reckon you can do it?
Okay. Down the middle.
That's good. I see what you're doing is you're cutting it in half first, and then you're going to try and share each of those halves.
There's a middle for that half. No, that's not fair. This is difficult.
It is a bit trickier.
Could you help?
I can help. I recommend you turn it and look at it from another angle. What? That's not it at all. These are much smaller pieces.
There are two very big animals and two very small animals.
I know, but we're just trying to give them all exactly the same shape piece for now. Okay, so if you look at this one, what you did was you started at the top corner and you came all the way down to the base. So if we turn it, we've got two triangles now. What could you do with this triangle to share it fairly in half? How could you share this triangle fairly in half? What? I don't understand what you're saying. Okay, with this triangle, you start at the top corner and you drew a straight line down to the base. Could you do that with this triangle? Well, no, you've now got two small triangles, see? Here's a small triangle, and there's the top corner, and there's the base. I'll show you. See? What about this triangle here? Do you see you've got another triangle? There we go. And now they've all got a triangle. Okay, oh. Ooh, that's right. Don't accidentally munch. Okay, I'll rub it out with a proper rubber. Okay. There we go, that's fine. Now, can you share, the last one is a rectangle. Okay. Can you share the rectangle into 4 evenly sized pieces, please? Can you share the rectangle?
Maybe.
Well then do it. Oh. That's really good. Do you want to count?
1, 2,
We
3,
forgot
4,
to count
5.
the triangles, didn't we?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9.
I don't think there are 9. Count those ones again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What? Maybe
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's strange how long it took you to get there. Shall we check it together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's definitely right. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, now if we had a circular cake, you ready? We could use a protractor to divide our cake fairly. Now I'm also going to use a protractor to draw a circular cake.
Oh no, I think we might be doomed. I can already see how to share that.
Now,
Down the middle,
if we have a line here, ready?
and then along the line here.
And we have 4 animals. Each animal gets 90 degrees of the cake. So if we set this like this, we go 90 degrees, okay? That is one animal's share of the cake.
Next we need to find another animal's share of the cake and share it.
Now, can you mark this where it says 90? Good. And then we've got another animal's share of the cake. Can you do the last one?
90.
Make sure the 0 is joined up with the middle of the circle. Good. Oh, a little bit wobbly, but that's good. So how many fair shares have we got? 4! That's right!
I know!
90 degrees for 4 animals. Now, do you reckon we can try and do a circle for 5 animals? Are you up for doing a circle for 5 animals?
Not really.
Oh.
Am I being a slow?
No, I think you were starting to find it a bit tricky. So I think what we'll do is we'll say that we've stopped this one at the end of 5 and we'll have another go and try to get a bit further next time we do this activity. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope we'll see you again.